Hey everybody, it's Chad at Bridge Realty bringing you a new video today titled What Renovations Are Worth Doing. We're going to talk about the return on investment and the amount of capital that's needed to make sure that the renovations that you're doing are getting your best bang for your buck. The research I did was online. I looked at some home improvement websites, I looked at some surveys, I looked at the MLS for a little bit, and I did a top 8 to find out what is the best bang for your buck when you're thinking about remodeling. So I found it 102% return on your money comes from a minor bathroom remodel, and that's going to run about $10,500. Minor bathroom remodels don't include moving pipes or changing the tub or anything like that. It's fixtures and colors and chair rails and amenities, add-on little features, things here and there. That they do get expensive, but they do return really well when you decide to sell. The next best return on your money I found is through landscaping. It's going to cost about $1,500 to hire a professional to get that set up, and another $3,500 for an average size lot, and that will get you 100% return on your money from what I found in my research. A major bathroom model. Now we're talking ripping out pipes and ripping out tubs and moving sinks and changing the lights, putting in nice tile, maybe adding a linen closet. That is going to run about $26,000 and will yield 93% of your investment. A major kitchen remodel is the next in line with 91% return on your money, but a major kitchen remodel can go so many different ways. We're talking about an average remodel on an average home. It's running about $43,000 nowadays. You can go up to $100,000, $105,000 on a kitchen remodel, but as you go up north of or nearing six figures, the return on investment goes down significantly. In fact, I saw one survey that said $102,400 remodel yielded 62% return on your money. So if you're going to do something really high end in the kitchen, just know that it's for your own personal use, and you're probably not going to recapture most of that unless you stay with the mid-level stuff. Next is going to be a deck, porch, or patio. About $11,000 to get one of those put in, and 90% return on your money there. The next one down at 90% return on your money as well, and I put this in sixth place because it's more than the deck, patio, porch, is a basement full redo or full build out of a basement. It's about 50 grand, and you will get most of your money back, but not all of it. New windows throughout the home. On an average size home, it's going to be about $10,000, and you'll get 89% of your money back on that. And then bringing up the rear in eighth place, there are a lot more than just the top 8, but these are the ones that I feel are significant to talk about in this video, is a attic addition. So you would be adding a 15-foot shed dormer. The room would end up being 15 by 15. You would be adding a 5 by 7-foot bathroom as well. And that's going to run about 40,000, maybe just a little under, and you'll get 82% of your money back on that. Now, once again, these numbers are taken from research done online through home improvement websites and surveys and a little bit from the MLS. So any questions, feel free to shoot them over. If you want a PDF copy of this, send me a message and I'll get that sent over to you as well in the top 8 things for what renovations are worth doing. Chad Wood, Bridge Realty here. If you like the video and you want to see more and you want to stay updated on real estate news, click the subscribe here and we'll get you all set up there. I hope you have a great day and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.